What's up, everybody? So I'm back with another mobile. This one's a single wide, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So in this first bedroom, we'll be doing our normal color paint. I'll be painting those, making them look new, fixing the drawers down there. I'll also be installing blinds, hardwood, baseboard in that bedroom. This bathroom, there's a soft spot in the middle of the floor right here. So I'll be doing brand new linoleum, baseboard. I'll be patching this door, painting it, painting ceilings, walls, and down the little hallway here. This will all be hardwood. Be doing full paint. We use Cancun sand, which is like a yellow type paint. Be adding brand new hardwood. I like this little bar that's right here. It's pretty cool. I'll be painting that, making it look new. My idea was to run the hardwood from the hall all the way here and stop it right there. Have a nice little transition. That way the bar will have hardwood. It'll look a lot nicer. As for the kitchen, we'll be doing linoleum. Be touching up those cabinets, adding blinds, ceiling paint, which I've actually started on already. Kitchen, I'll be painting that backsplash, adding new linoleum coming down the hall, touch up paint on all the cabinets. This house actually has a lot of storage space. And down this hall, we've got more linoleum into the laundry room. Be adding brand new. Be painting all that, getting all the cobwebs off, ceiling paint, paint cabinets, adding baseboard. Down this next little hall where the furnace sits, we're going to be continuing the linoleum, hopefully in one piece. And the back bedroom, we're going to be doing hardwood, brand new baseboard, full paint, blinds on both windows. Into the master closet, we've got a soft spot going on here. Be fixing that before I do the hardwood in this area, but I'll be adding brand new baseboard there. Into the bathroom, I'll be replacing this door. And of course, linoleum on the floor. All full paint, ceilings, walls. Even though that window is a tempered glass, I'm still going to add a blind right there. Be installing brand new toilet seats. We do that in every house. Baseboard. And yeah, so this is pretty much what this one's looking like. On the outside, I actually have to completely tear these stairs away and build brand new steps. So I'll be building brand new steps right here on this home. And in the front, I'm also going to be removing the ramp and building steps there. Otherwise, not too much on the outside, some skirting. But I just want to show you guys the steps so you can see a before and after of those. And yeah, guys, that is it for this one. I would love to do more. Let me know what you guys think about my videos, if you like them, what I can improve. I'm definitely listening. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you when it's done.